Hello everyone, my name is Syerra and I'm a second year student at the University of Toronto. Today I will be showing you how to create a bouncy egg at home, and we will investigate acid-base reactions and membranes.
Here are the materials that you are going to need. Vinegar, 1 raw egg, 1 glass, and 1 spoon. Let's get started. First, take your glass. Next, we're going to carefully place the egg into the bottom of the glass. And finally, we're going to add our vinegar until it completely covers our egg. Now we are going to wait 24 hours. Welcome back. Our egg has been sitting for 24 hours. We are now going to carefully remove it from the glass using our spoon. We are now going to run our egg under a steady stream of cool water to remove the excess shell. Why does this happen?
This is because the shell of the egg, which is made up of calcium carbonate, was broken down by the vinegar, which is acidic. All that is left is a thin membrane, which is selectively permeable, which is a fancy way of saying that it is good at keeping and bringing in good things like nutrients and vitamins, and keeping out bad things like germs and bacteria. An example of a selectively permeable membrane is something like human skin. Our body is good at bringing in nutrients like vitamin D from sunlight and keeping it inside our body. It is also really good at keeping out germs and bacteria that we may touch.
Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to try this experiment at home and send us your pictures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!